This is a single method that will answer almost all types of percentage questions. It's structured so that if you invest time to learn this method, you'll always have a clear plan. Just a quick look at the percentage bar first so you understand the method. We always start at 100%. If we go up by 20%, we arrive at 120%. And the decimal multiplier will be 1.20. If we go down by 15%, we arrive at 85%. And the decimal multiplier is 0.85. But let's look at it the other way around. What if I write 1.12? What percentage is that? And have it gone up or down, and by how much? Well, it's 112%. And I can see I must have gone up by 12%. So let's look at some questions. Sam invests £2,456 in shares and they increase in value by 36%. How much are they worth now? Well, we know he starts at 2,456, so that goes there. Now to fill in the multiplier box, we need to use the bar. I start at 100% and I can see they've increased in value by 36%. So I've moved up to 136%. And the decimal multiplier is therefore 1.36. So now we can put the decimal multiplier in here. And finally we can use this because we can just put this into our calculator. 2,456 times 1.36 and we arrive at £3,340.16. This time Sam buys a car for £4,556, but when he sells it, it's fallen in value by 14%. Well, we know he starts at £4,556, and again, to fill in the multiplier, we'll use the bar. We always start at 100%, and we're told it has fallen by 14%, so we arrive at 86%. Which is a decimal multiplier of 0.86. So that goes here. And we can do this on the calculator. 4,556 times 0.86 gives us £3,918.16. Here's another. Sally buys an antique clock for £560 and sells it for £756. What is her percentage profit? Well, we know she starts at 560 and finishes at 756. So we need to work out the decimal multiplier. 560 times some number is equal to 756. Well, we have the answer, so we work in reverse. 756 divided by 560 gives us 1.35. Now we use the bar the other way around. We write in the 1.35. We know that this is 135%, and so we can see she's gone up by 35%. So she's made a 35% profit. And finally this one. Susan buys a coat in a sale and gets 20% off the list price. She pays £80. How much would it have been before the sale? We don't know what price the coat started at, but we do know it finishes at £80. It goes down 20% because it's 20% off, so we arrive at 80%. And so the decimal multiplier is 0.80. Which we can write in here. So how do we find the start price? And again, we have the answer, so we work in reverse. It's some number times 0.80 equals 80. So 80 divided by 0.8, and that gives us £100.